First, insert a circular shape and a thin rectangular shape. Position the rectangle precisely at the center of the circle. Next, go to Shape Format, select Merge Shapes, and choose Fragment to split the shapes. Then, select the half-circle shape you want to keep. Apply a subtle shadow effect to enhance depth, and delete the remaining unwanted fragments. After that, insert the finalized half-circle shape and extend its endpoint to the desired length. Place an additional circular shape at the endpoint, ensuring it has no outline and a soft shadow applied. Group these shapes together and apply a gradient fill to create a smooth, modern look. Duplicate this shape 5 times, applying different gradient colors to each duplicate for visual variation. Next, insert a thin, rounded rectangle shape that complements the main design. Arrange the shapes carefully to create a clean and balanced layout. Insert appropriate icons and adjust their colors to match the overall color scheme. Now, group each icon with its corresponding shape and then send the shapes behind the half-rounded shapes. Now, apply the same gradient color to the thin rounded rectangle as the corresponding main shape. Add text beside each shape, ensuring proper alignment, spacing, and readability. Then, group the thin rectangle and the text together to keep the design aligned and easy to manage. Now, change the background color to a high contrast shade to make the shapes and text stand out more clearly. Once the design is complete, duplicate the slide and reposition the elements strategically to prepare for smooth morph transitions. Finally, select all slides, apply the morph transition, and set the transition duration to 4 seconds. This completes the final layout and overall visual presentation of the design.